Hey friends, this is the Ninja Air Fryer. This thing's a little rock star. We use air fryers all of the time, mostly just for super quick heat up processes. Today I'm going to show you how to heat up some frozen chicken strips. Again, just makes meal prep super easy. Now, these Ninja air fryers obviously come loaded with features. You can see that you have the normal air fry function, which is what we primarily use this for. But you also have a roast option, a dehydrate option, if you like putting fruit, different jerkies maybe, and using the dehydrate function. And then you also have just a regular reheat function over here. You got time and temperature buttons right here to adjust things. And then you have a start and pause button. So we're gonna be making these Tyson rotisserie seasoned chicken strips. You can see that a lot of these brands are now putting air fry instructions right on the bag. In this case, we need to run it at 350 for 7 to 8 minutes, letting it stand for 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna let the air fryer warm up, so we'll probably put this at roughly 12 minutes and then throw the strips in after that counts down to the 8-minute mark. So here's how easy it works. Basically, we'll hit the power button. We're gonna make sure it's on the air fry mode. We're gonna push our temp down to 350, push our time all the way down to 12 minutes, and then we're gonna hit the start button. Like I said, we'll let that heat up. As soon as it gets to the 8-minute mark, we'll throw our strips in. Okay, as you can see, we passed the 8-minute mark. Let's hit the pause button. That's just gonna pause things, allow us to open up the sleeve here. And you can see that it's a fairly large dish. Now, one of the alternate things you can do is purchase these air fryer protectors, and those just slip down into the bottom of your fry pan and just helps with a little bit of cleanup. Okay, there's our frozen chicken strips, kind of evenly distributed along the bottom of the pan. Stick that back into place and hit the start button. Okay, when the time is done, it will beep. And as you can see, delicious chicken strips. So there you go, that is the Ninja Air Fryer. Definitely a huge thumbs up. We love using these things.